make your YouTube channel private. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is go to your browser. You don't need to go to the then what you have to do is click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then you have to click on your profile picture, and then you have to go to the creator studio, and then here you can see it is loading, so you have to wait until it loads. So in the what you have to do is zoom in, and here you can see in the bottom left corner settings. Click on the settings, and you have to click on the channel tab, and then go to the advanced settings, and then here you can see in the you have to go to the bottom of the page, and you have to click on the remove YouTube content. So make sure you click on the remove YouTube content, and you have to enter the password. So I enter the password, and so click on the next, and it is wrong. So type your password, and then it is loading, and then you come to this page, and now what you have to do is click on the I want to hide my channel, and you have to click on the this icon that is it says that your the channel name and your like, subscription, subscriber will be made private, and the following will be permanently deleted. The comments and your replies will be permanently deleted, and your data on the Google properties will be removed. So select all these three options, and then click on the hide my channel, and when you click on the hide my channel, your channel becomes private. So that's basically it, that how you can make your YouTube channel private. And I don't want to do this, so I don't follow this last step. So that's basically it, that how you can make your YouTube channel private. If you find this video helpful, subscribe. I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, comment below that this video is helpful, and if you have a question, please comment below. I will answer you. Have a good day.